If you're surprised by how much the federal government spends, the issue is lack of competition. Too few contractors bid. More competition brings prices down, and that starts with more contractors learning how to play the game. Please share this with any contractor you know. Construction was awarded a $48,000 federal contract to correct the MCC B98 split unit system. Here's proof. For over 15 years, I've been teaching contractors how to find, bid, negotiate, and perform federal construction contracts all over the United States. To get into the exciting world of federal government construction, schedule a Zoom with me at GCExperts.com/Zoom.